Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this question from laws of logarithms. Without using a calculator, find the value of log to base 4 of 1. So, first of all, we can apply the laws of indices to 1. That is, 1 can be seen as any number raised to power 0. So, let us take that chance and write 1 in terms of 4 using this law. So, it means what we'll have is going to be log to base 4 of 1, which is 4 raised to power 0, according to this law. Then from here, let us use the third law of logarithms. That is, if you have the log of a power n, you can write that as n log of a. So it means we can write this as 0 times the log to base 4 of 4, which you can just take to be 0, because if you multiply any value by 0, you get 0. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please remember to subscribe.